that early microbiome development is critically important and may affect health outcomes later in life. For example, this is a study that was published in the journal Pediatric Research titled "A Possible Link Between Early Probiotic Intervention and the Risk of Neuropsychiatric Disorders Later in Childhood, a Randomized Trial." The researchers in this experiment took 75 infants and randomly assigned half of them to receive a probiotic bacteria called Lactobacillus rhamnosus for the first 6 months of their life. The other half of the infants received a placebo, which is an inert substance, instead of the probiotic. The researchers then followed these infants for 13 years and found that 17% of the children in the placebo group went on to develop ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or Asperger's syndrome. Interestingly, all of the children who were diagnosed with ADHD or Asperger's syndrome were male. But here's the kicker. None of the children who received the probiotic as infants during the first 6 months of their life went on to develop ADHD or Asperger's syndrome. The researchers conclude by saying probiotic supplementation early in life may reduce the risk of neuropsychiatric disorder development later in childhood. We are beginning to see just how important the infant microbiome may be in affecting health even into adulthood. So now the question is, how do we build a healthy microbiome from the get-go?